we're going to make a bar. Right. So, freezer, cabinet, drawer box to go above because there'll be a void because we're going to run the worktop in level with this existing sill. So we're going to have a void here, so we're going to make two drawer boxes, and then we're going to have a cabinet and a bridging unit that will go across there, and then a rack that will come down for glasses or displaying bottles, etc. Sort of you get a rough sketch here, and then the drawer boxes above the freezers. The top will just be MDF, and then it's going to be tiled with some funky tiles. I won't be doing that, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Right, got the freezers in rather. So I'm now going to make this cabinet and then this drawer box. And we get the filler in, the filler here, filler there, and end panel once the cabinet's in. Food situation here is getting pretty dire. It's not good. But me and Steve are going to tough it out.
Lovely.
You wouldn't like it.
I don't think no one realises that actual's got to stay there forever. It's great.
Right, not been doing a massive amount of filming, but we've got the structure in. So this is going to be a cabinet, drawer box, freezer, cabinet top scribed in, countertop scribed in. So we're going to put some oak on here to build this up. So we'll be the finished top. Be a cabinet going here, and then around here we're going to tile the rest. I say we're not tiling it. Someone else's. So for the detail on these cabinets, I've made this template And I'll run the router around the template, cutting out these shapes with a flush trim bit. Then we move it along and just repeat the process basically until we've got to the end of the material. It's really trendy, like I'd know.
Next one up.
Yeah, no, that's perfect.
So you see the detail here. So this is what we've just routed out and it's now been fitted to the cabinet. Looks pretty cool.
No, I'll go and have a look.
I mean, don't get me wrong, you did a lot of